Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we're designing an expense tracking screen with the Ionic Design Kit. If you're building a finance or budgeting app, this screen is a must-have. Let's get right into it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. Right in the middle, you'll see the layout, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. If you want to take your time with any step, just pause the video. No rush. Now let's talk about what makes a great expense tracking screen. It's not just about logging numbers. It's about making it easy for users to input expenses, view spending by category, and gain a deeper understanding of their financial behavior. The Ionic Design Kit helps you get there faster. You've got drag-and-drop components for lists, charts, forms, everything you need to build a clean, useful, and responsive interface. And because it's all based on Ionic framework components, developers won't have to reinvent the wheel. Remember, you can find all the code snippets over on our website, so you're never left hanging. Want to keep building without slowing down? Use the Ionic Design Kit to simplify your design process while keeping everything user-friendly and dev-ready. That's a wrap for this one. If you found it helpful, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more quick and practical UI guides. Catch you in the next video.